Uh, let's play the game. It's called Roll now. The title.
Bro, I am
Can
the
you just
only.
of the couch? I mean the sofa. I'm matching the.
So let's just the. Come on, Dad. Where are you? This game is so easy. Why are people dying? This game is so easy.
Just wait.
Why are you that jealous?
Every time you play that, where are you? You're not here. Oh, oh. How am I gonna remove
I
this?
have a gun.
How am I gonna? Oh, good, get it here. Yes.
Where? Join me!
I literally saw this
Okay, can you down? Wait.
It's got that. I already invited you. Where the hell is Cookie? Oh my god, I saw Color Kid. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gulay. Project I wanna press set tito. That's a red. What happened?
I fell in the line.
Oh. Normal or blocker?
No more.
Hello. I'm gonna chat if you're gonna answer. Okay. I already said Amber.
Oh no, they made me leave the game.
Oh. Just join me. You're leaving the game without me, bro. It's my first time back now.
I know how to play this game.
Yes. I know how to play the game. I just remember I just double jump and I just got there. Yes, Yes, sir. Yes, You turn into chicken. You can like chicken I'm trying to click the.
I see you. Where are you? You disappeared.
I died. Here. Behind you. Why am I become?
Oh my goodness gracious. I forgot to jump.
Oh look. There's nothing. And how am I gonna remove this? Bruh! This is why I hate the game. For God's sake, guys. First time, okay? I'm just gonna use this.
Oh my god, I think I even touched the fire.
I'm trying my Oh no.
You keep on dying if you do like that. Just do it the normal way.
No. I'm trying to, that's my way to know.
Nice, I didn't touch anything.
Amber, this is why I hate this game.
Oh my goodness.
Later, I was trying to duck on the air.
You're not at that part.
Yeah. I will die. Let me just use the
I
gun.
was the only one to do this. I stopped it. I stopped it.
I'm so beautiful when I do like this.
Okay, I'm not done this game.
What's this? Okay. So what's this means? What's the video? Look. Huh?
Trap.
But how am I gonna get in there? But this one will be moved. This? Double jump. Double. That's a check. I'm keep on dying! What happened? What just happened? Oh, what's in here? Amber, look. Oh no! My precious baby! Wait. I'm gonna try this. Bro! Stop.